Among the few things you can point to is why the Buffalo Sabres have not been able to piece together consistency that results in wins is this team's inability to play from ahead. In their loss Thursday to St. Louis, Buffalo fell behind 3-0 before eventually coming back to tie the game at 3, which ultimately ended in a 6-4 loss when all was said and done. Tonight in Raleigh against the Hurricanes, you hope for something different. But that wasn't the case. Carolina opening up a 2-goal lead at the end of the first period. That's not helping your case. But in the second period, with a chance to answer it back, Carolina was the first to find the net in that period, opening up another 3-0 deficit for Buffalo in consecutive games that they've now got to claw their way back from. And unlike Thursday night, Buffalo did not equalize. In fact, it only got worse from there. The guys down 5-0 at one point. 2 goals in the third salvage, a little pride, but the Sabres and their road trip with a 6-2 loss to Carolina. Here's Dylan Cousins and Don Granato after the game.
I think we definitely play way too soft. We're too easy to play against, and we need to get a little FU in our game. I think we had more of that last year, and we're way too soft this year. I feel like we don't kill plays. We kind of get bullied and stuff, and we need to be way harder to play against. We're way too easy to play against right now.
Well, we certainly needed to compete harder from the drop of the puck, and your problems are going to be complicated when the other team is a bit more competitive, especially out of the gate, than you are. We knew tough building, team that's on a roll, team that's very experienced and good, and we didn't come out with a high enough compete level.
All right, here's a little bright spot. Sabres fans are going to return home tomorrow to host Nashville. Puck drops 7 p.m. from the Key Bank Center.